I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a new headlight bulb, a flathead screwdriver, and possibly an 8mm or 10mm socket with an extension. It's crucial to have the correct bulb type for your vehicle. Remember to wear gloves or use a clean cloth when handling the new bulb to avoid transferring oils, which can shorten its lifespan. Now let's get started. Begin by opening your vehicle's hood. Locate the headlight assembly you need to service. On many models, you'll find a circular access cover on the back of the headlight housing. Gently twist this cover counterclockwise to remove it. For some Ford Explorer models, you might need to loosen or remove a few small bolts, typically 8mm or 10mm, to pull the entire assembly forward slightly for better access. With the access cover off, you'll see the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Carefully press the tab and pull to disconnect it. Next, grasp the base of the old bulb and twist it counterclockwise, usually about a quarter turn until it loosens and can be pulled straight out. Take your new bulb, align its tabs with the socket, push it in, and twist clockwise to lock it securely in place. Finally, reattach the electrical connector until you hear a click. Once the new bulb is installed and connected, replace the headlight access cover. Make sure it's seated correctly and sealed tightly to prevent moisture from entering the housing. Close your hood, then turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working properly. This simple check ensures everything is functioning as it should. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.